time singing here, so she might even be a little bit nervous, but I don't know. I know that she's very, very talented, so I want you to give her a big, warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen. She's going to sing All I Want for Christmas Is You. Ladies and gentlemen.
Clap louder.
Wasn't that lovely? And she looked great as well, and she was not a bit nervous. And that was the first time.